in the cold fire of the morning. My hands are shaking, my chest is hollow. Promises fall like ashes from a mouth shaped by denial. I don't know, I told the wind, like spitting up my own belief. Fear dressed itself in my voice and love bled underneath. 3 falls inside the same man, 3 deaths with a no goodbye. The night closed heaven's eyes until the sound split the sky, and the rooster cried like thunder in the silence, and the rooster cried, breaking what was left of me. I stood naked before the heavens, no shelter, no lies, no plea. Your gaze went straight through bone and soul, a quiet blade without wrath, not judgment, only truth, heavier than the path. My chest collapsed, a ruined temple, columns broken in the dust. The strong man turned to confession, the brave reduced to rust. And the rooster cried, and the truth screamed out my name, and the rooster cried. My strength died where I stood. If anything survived that night, it was the tears I understood. Lord, do not hide your face from me, even knowing what I am. If you find me in the dirt of shame, I'll stay right where I stand. Break the land who says never, let the fallen one remain. Let this pain become my baptism and forgiveness, my chain. When the rooster cries inside of me, everything else comes to an end. This is not glory, not easy redemption. It's open wound, one beginning on prayer. Before the day was born, I fell. Before the day